Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock home screen layout in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now if I add or remove any apps from the home screen, so just touch and hold it and then tap on remove. You can see I can easily do it. Also if you want to add any apps on the home screen, just touch and hold it, and that way you can add any apps on the home screen. Now if I lock home screen layout, you have to just touch and hold it, and at the bottom you can see settings option, then just tap on settings and then scroll down a bit, and here you can see lock home screen layout option. You have to just enable this option from here. Now if you go to home screen, now if I remove any app from the home screen, just touch and hold it, and you can see remove option is disabled. On the other hand, if I go to app screen, also you cannot add any apps on the home screen, and you can see it's disabled. And that is how you can lock home screen layout in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.